So we're here at this old Quarryville Railroad Bridge, and we're thinking that it's abandoned. Well, it is abandoned because the rails aren't even here anymore, but it's definitely, what's it called? Jack, how do you want to explain this bridge? I think it was used for, the tracks were abandoned in the 1900s. 1971, while Hurricane Agnes took out this bridge. Not really took it out, but managed to destroy. Here, wait, I'm not gonna go down here. I'm just gonna show you guys something what the bridge looks like from the side. You can't really see, but it's very old. It was built in like the 1800s. It is very old and rusty. Like, look at those tracks and rails.
We're probably not alone in these woods.
The ties were probably old and abandoned. Jack, you wanna go down there? I'm going down this way. Someone made a path. So, anyway, these tracks were built in like 1800s to connect Quarryville and Lancaster. And we were thinking, me and Jack, that, hey, why don't we explore the old railroad bridge? So that's what we're doing right now. It is no trespassing allowed. So, but I'm gonna go over there and just to show you guys what this bridge looks like. Looks like they piled a bunch of rocks up over here to make piers over here, pillars to support the bridge. Very cool though. You totally tell that some of the rock over here, like this one, for instance, was used for part of this, just to the outline or cut shape the rock has. So I made it up onto the pier, guys, and we're just exploring a bit. And I'm gonna go up there, but it's a very steep fall from here. And this is real iron, so I'm gonna check it out. From there, and these are railroad ties. Looks like.
This is a big road. See, coming up here, we have a part of the old tracks.
And possibly a tunnel.
All rusted up.
Yeah, I was thinking you gotta give it to
It collapsed.
Possibly a tunnel.
As you can see, it got broken right here.
This looks like a part to an old train.
Oh.
think we found old railroad ties over here. Or old rails. Look at this. Ugh. It's very heavy. Gotta be old rails. But yeah, it's definitely old rails. Look at this. An old beer bottle. Wow. It is definitely a big, amazing bridge. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And